Is this what you built? Oh, is that what you built?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look at all the flowers.
I know.
They're everywhere.
I know. I'm doing it in black and white because I know I can't get the colors.
And look, I even have a trail that goes down here.
You sure do.
And there's all flowers down there.
Oh my
You'll
God.
come back when. And look, oh, this is solid.
I know.
And look, that's all poured concrete.
Oh, you got a bird feeder right there.
No, it's a chime that I got from the Goodwill.
Oh
It's
yeah.
the Lord's Prayer.
Oh. Oh, I bet you got bunny rabbits and deers and everything over here,
You
don't
do,
you?
and that's the woods behind my house.
Oh.
See how
Wow.
private this is?
Oh.
And that artwork is from the Goodwill.
Oh, hey, you can't beat that, Doug. You did a fabulous job. Did you say that they built it? Can we go around this way?
Sure can.
I'm getting this and.
I just didn't have the lights installed yet for this side.
Okay. Well, I'm doing it in black and white since I can't get the color. I'm getting a little bit of it, except it's just in black and white.
Oh, but you'll come back. Now that you know where I am and you know how to get here, then you'll come during the day.
Uh-huh.
Look, this walkway is new.
Oh.
Get on your walkway.
Okay, Doug.
See how
Oh.
it goes around in a circle?
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Look at
I
all
might as well
the flowers
videotape your pretty you
here. Look
use.
at all my flowers.
Oh, you put it around your neighbor's house?
No, this is my house.
This is your house, right?
Here.
Oh my goodness. Lord have mercy.
No, that's the house. That's my
Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. This is a blessing car that we got to use. Oh my goodness, the airplane is up in the air.
There's an Air Force base.
Where you at, mister? I want to get you.
So let's go back.
Okay. Oh, Doug.
My garden look.
Oh, yes. Your garage is huge, Lord. Okay.
Wait a minute. I just had to turn it off. It's making noise.
Uh-oh. Okay. That's all right. Oh, it's
See the
beautiful.
flowers?
Oh, yeah. It's just absolutely, you don't mind if I put it on YouTube, do you, Doug? Oh, Nick will like this too. Oh. Oh, those are neat.
They're fixing to bloom.
I see all your beautiful flowers. Awesome. Good job, Doug. There's us.
That's cool.
There's us.
That is cool.
You got a beautiful home. No wonder you ought to thank God for that every day. And your garage looked like a house itself.
I grew up in this house.
Oh.
My childhood
Oh.
home.
Okay. Tonight is June the 23rd, 2022.
This is my iris garden, but iris are already finished.
Aw. Yeah, I'm getting your beautiful flowers, what I can. I'm doing it in black and white because I can't get.
And then look what I did here. These are water repellent shower curtains.
Ooh, let's get
And then
that.
so when it rains, look,
Oh.
I just pull
Oh, that's cool, Doug.
it so you don't get any water in here.
Oh, that is really cool. I'm sorry, folks. It's nighttime.
We'll do it again. And look,
Yes.
look at my hosta garden here.
Oh, God, this would have been heaven in the daytime.
It is.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, Doug. This is awesome.
And then look what else I have too. I'll turn this off because that's kind of bright.
Okay.
But anyhow, look. And then when I have dinner.
Oh, hey! Thanks for showing us your house.
Isn't this nice?
A garage showing and a house showing from Doug. A great friend.
Okay, I'm going to turn these off.
Okay, then I got it. I'm just getting these lights again. Just pretty.
Little fairy lights.
Yeah.
There's flowers everywhere.
I know. Got a cookout grill and everything. Excuse me, Dougums. Oh, you got a beautiful home, Doug. It's beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, God, you got flowers over here. Oh, I gotta get these. Oh, these are absolutely beautiful. House of Heaven. Beautiful, Doug. Everything is beautiful, and I love the trees around the house. That's a lot of privacy.
That's what we like.
I know it.
Privacy.
That's just awesome.
I got flowers everywhere.
That, hey, you can't beat this. I like that.
I had the stone wall done.
Oh,
Dad did it in the back, and then I
Uh-huh.
finished it up in the front.
Uh-huh. Nick's gonna like this.
Looks like no ways.
He has to go on YouTube and watch it though,
Oh, okay.
because it won't let me put anything.
Well, you come during the day and take good pictures.
Yeah. I'm just videotaping this blessing. So your car broke down, and I guess you'll have to move it, so I'll get out.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out way back.
Okay.
There, so when you go down Pershing that way, you can easily get out.
I know how to get out now, Doug.
You do the little dog leg down at the bottom.
Awesome. Okay.